Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of today's video. Today we'll be looking into some of the tweets that has been made recently in the past 24 hours. Some of the exchanges have indicated interest in listing Core. Okay, in my last video we discussed about, or rather we showed the tweets that was made by some of the exchanges, BYBIT, HUOBI, OKX exchange. Now today it's a different one. It's a different exchange wallet. It's a different exchange platform that have indicated interest in listing Core and starting trading on the 8th of February 2023. Okay, as at the time this video was created, we have just 4 days to go. Okay, now let's quickly look at the tweets. Okay, let's go to our Twitter. This is Poloniex exchange. They said that Core wallet will open on February 8, 2023 at exactly 10 o'clock UTC, and full trading will be enabled. Okay, on that same date, February 8, around 12 o'clock UTC. So guys, this is very interesting news as more exchanges are coming in trying to partner with Core, trying to support the CoreDAO project. Okay, so on the 8th of February, lots of exchanges are going to start trading Core, and this is very, very interesting. Okay, so let's quickly go to another exchange that has released information about listing of a Core. Okay, this is a BitMart exchange. BitMart exchange is one of the biggest exchanges so far, okay, in the crypto space. Okay, this is the tweet which they made about some hours ago. Okay, it was made on the 2nd, that was yesterday, as at the time this video was created. BitMart will list CoreDAO on a digital assets platform on February 8, 2023. The following trading pair will be available: Core against USDT. Deposits will be available, okay, and the trade features will be open on that same 8th of February 2023 at exactly 12 p.m. Guys, this news is very, very interesting. Get yourselves prepared. All these exchanges that are coming up, it is to support the project Core, and this will take the price of Core very, very higher than even what we expect. Okay, so we should be expecting something very, very interesting in this Core project. Now let us go to another exchange. Guys, this is the almitygate.io. okay, it has also tweeted yesterday, it was today. Okay, take a look at the screen. You see that this tweet was made today. Okay, this tweet was made today. Okay, now guys, this is very, very interesting. Gates.io, one of the biggest exchange in the crypto space, have also indicated interest on listing Core. Okay, the trading pair of Core against USDT, it will start at 12 o'clock p.m. on the 8th of February. So guys, get your wallet ready. Okay, if you don't have any of these exchanges, you feel free to sign up. I'll drop the link in the description. If you don't have any of this exchange, if you've not registered before, if you've not signed up with the exchange platform, I'm going to drop the link in the description so that you sign up. You feel free to choose any exchange you want. Okay, just feel free to change any exchange you want. But when it's time for deposits, always take note of the charges, because the charges for all the exchanges may not be the same. Guys, for those of you who have been asking me questions, how are you going to get in touch with me? I will drop my WhatsApp group link in the description so that you can join my WhatsApp group. I'll also drop my Telegram link. You can join my Telegram link. You chat me up if you have any question at all. If you have any challenges relating to Core, feel free to drop your questions. Drop your questions at the comment section. Then I will respond to your question. Now, if you've not signed up for CoreDAO, for Satoshi Core, the mining app, currently the airdrop is still going on. Okay, the airdrop is still going on. Quickly check the link in the description and sign up if you've not done that. Who knows, all these airdrops that have been going on now, the TCA1, TCA2, and TCA3. Okay, TCA, TCB, TCC. Who knows, maybe it will turn out to something valuable. Okay, it may turn out to something valuable in the future. Nobody knows. So quickly get in. Do not, because you've missed call and wouldn't sign up for this, feel free to sign up for this and participate in the airdrops. Okay guys, this will be the end of our video for today. I hope to see you in my next video. If this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, quickly click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell so that each time I upload videos on my channel, you get notified. Feel free to share, give a thumbs up to my video. Thank you, and I hope to see you in my next video.